All right, guys, just got a package from Lolo Club. Look at that shine. That's not it though. Let's open it up and see what we got. So I got a watch band from this company called Lolo Club. It's called a retrofit case. All right, that's a transparent black is what they're calling it. With I got a yellow band, and you'll see at the end of the video they have several different colors. All right, this is the back of it. So it's a two-piece style case for your watch. Well, not really a two-piece, but that's the front and the back. And it comes with the tool and the screws to hold the watch face in place. All right. And this is for the Samsung Ultra. For those that didn't know, that's what the screw look like on my ashy hand. All right, and there's an Ultra watch. So we're gonna line it up and pop it in. I tried to make this video as short as I could, y'all. It was really long. I had to edit it down. So hopefully I pass on enough information through this video. So, all right, so you pop on the back, and yeah, 4 screws. Just put it in. This is very tedious. I have big hands, and the screwdriver that came with it is not magnetic, so I had to line the pieces up. All right, so that's how it looks on your Samsung Watch Ultra. Just find your face, color face, or style face to kind of go with it. But yeah, I got it because it was something different, something unique. You know, I have several different bands for my watch, but this was different. And yeah, that's how it looks on the wrist. That's like a copper color lock piece for the band. You can see the spigot grills. All right, everything works, checks out. I like the little details on it, little 4 metal screws on the top face there. Your buttons out, cut out. Real nice, real solid fit. Gives your watch a more, I don't know, sporty, elegant look, if that makes sense. All right, guys, these are the colors I was telling you about on the website. I will drop the link below. Let me know what color you like. Drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.